welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Not Polish Medium Mystery Box, and this was $100. I'm going to go ahead and show about how big the box is. It's a pretty good size. So we're going to go ahead and get this opened. So this is the packaging here inside, super pretty. It's the pink and red. Really, really cute. I love the tissue paper. And this is just the packing slip saying I got the mystery box. It says 2023. I don't know if that's the year or it's just like a number they put. I don't know, but yeah, we get all the little pink packing peanuts. Packaged really well. And then the first thing we get here are some tips, and these are the long coffin tips. These are the non-C curve, and you get 600. I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah, look at these, really nice. I really like their tips. I have a box of, I think they're the universal tips, and I really like their tips. And then we get another bag of tips here, and these are the XL coffin tips, and these are C curve. These are the C curve ones, and you get 600 also. So yeah, they're pretty similar to the other tips, but they do have that very deep C curve. And then we get a French cutter here. And then this is an ombre brush, and I've never used anything like this. This is pretty large. Never ever seen this done on nails, so I'll have to look for some videos, look on the website, something, because I'm not sure how I would use that, but it's a really nice brush. And then we get some Louis Vuitton stickers. And then we get a pack of nail glue, and there's 10 in there. I gave that a thumbs up. I never tried their glue, so I'm excited to try that. And then this is a gel liner, and this is the shade Ocean Eyes. It's a metallic gel liner. It's a really pretty color, very pretty. Look at that shimmer. The brush was a little weird. The brush was curving up, so I don't know what's up with that, but it's a very pretty color. And then some cuticle oil, and it's lavender, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love lavender, so I was very excited to get the lavender. And it's a vitamin E, it says, and then it's got the ingredients there on the back. And it does smell very good lavender scent. And I'm gonna go ahead and just try a little bit here. I really enjoyed the cuticle oil. The scent was really nice, and then it just was a really good, not too oily, just absorbed quickly. It was really nice. And now we get 3 acrylic powders. And these are 2 ounces, so they're the large ones. And you can use them as dip powders or acrylic. I got Midnight Special, very pretty color. And then I got a clear. And then this green is really pretty. It's called Sinful. And then these are some Mylar flakes. I got 6. I believe they are 1 ounce. Yeah, 1 ounce jars. They're really pretty though. I really like them. So yeah, I got 6 different colors of those. And then I got the matching lacquer and gel polish sets here. I got 6 of those. The first one here is called Water My Melons, really pretty pink, real pretty blue, Ocean View. This one is Autumn Leaf. This pink too is really pretty. This one is bottoms up, and then this real pretty yellow like fall shade. This one's yellow mamba, and then another pink here, which is cotton candy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show the swatches. This is the midnight special. It's a real pretty, reminds me of red wine. And then this is that green sinful, very pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and show the gel polishes here. I was pretty happy with everything I got. The only thing is, I noticed a lot of people got some matching acrylics to match their polishes. So that's the only thing. I wish I would have got a couple colors that match, you know, acrylic and polish. But other than that, I enjoyed the box. But yeah, these colors are really, really pretty. The pinks are different. I'll show here all the swatch sticks side by side. Yeah, very, very pretty colors. I like them. So yeah, this is everything that I received in the medium box. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with everything. I just wish I would have got some matching polishes with acrylics. But other than that, I was pretty happy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.